we're going to take a look at this VonHaus 20-meter auto rewind hose reel. Now let's see what we got in the box. I've discarded the box because it was just a brown box, nothing interesting. So we've got the fitting screws there, which we'll take more of a look at in a minute. Got the case itself. It's heavy, but not too heavy. And what do we get down here? So this is the hose end, and you get that attachment. I guess you can twist that and it will give different sprays. And that's got the standard kind of hose lock system on that end and into there. And then this is the end that you attach onto the tap. So we've got that already there, but actually if we have a look in here, it's actually that screw attachment to go onto the tap, depending on what kind of outdoor tap you've got. And if I just pull that, then that's the hose lock section. So this comes with the hose itself to maybe attach onto your outside tap. So there's different screw widths there that may give you a good fitting onto your outside tap. So that's that. Then if we have a quick look at the fixings. Now these look pretty decent actually, and I saw a bunch of reviews on Amazon saying that they were not up to scratch. Some people saying that they broke off with the weight of the hose, but these look pretty decent, and those raw plugs look massive. So I'm going to give these ones a go and screw that into the brickwork. Some washers there as well, and then this is the fixing that goes onto the wall. So quite chunky, heavy-duty plastic. You can fit it either way up. It's the same. So that is for the metal piece there to slot down into, and I think there's a hole at the bottom there so that you could lock that off to stop somebody just coming round and pulling the hose off the mount and then taking it away. But that is quite useful if you do want to take it in during the winter. Then you can just take it off the housing quite easily by sliding it upwards. Get a set of instructions. So let's have a go, see how we get on mounting this to the wall.